Members of Congress, I have the high privilege and distinct honor of presenting to you the President of the United
Membros
States.
do Congresso, tenho a honra de apresentar para vocês o presidente dos Estados Unidos.
Well, thank you very much, everybody. It's really an honor.
Obrigado a todos.
Speaker Johnson,
É uma honra.
Vice President Vance, First
Presidente
Lady
da
of
Câmara,
the
vice-presidente.
United States,
Primeira-dama dos Estados Unidos.
Second Lady of the United States,
Segunda-dama dos Estados Unidos.
members of Congress and my fellow Americans. Our nation
Membros
is
do
back,
Congresso e meus
bigger,
queridos americanos.
better, richer and stronger than ever before.
Nossa nação está de volta, maior, melhor e mais rica do que nunca esteve.
Less than 5 months from now, our country will celebrate an epic milestone in
Daqui a
American history.
5 meses,
The 250th
nós vamos comemorar
anniversary of our glorious
250 anos
American independence.
da nossa gloriosa nação,
July 4th, we will
da nossa
mark
gloriosa
2.5
independência.
centuries of liberty and triumph, progress and freedom in the
São
most
2
incredible
séculos e
and
meio
exceptional
de
nation
progresso
ever to exist on the face of the earth, and you've seen
e do melhor
nothing
país
yet.
que já
We're gonna
existiu
do better
na
and
face
better and better.
da
This is the
Terra.
golden age of America.
Nós vamos apenas melhorar, melhorar e melhorar.
When I last spoke in this chamber 12 months ago, I had just inherited
Quando eu falei
a
aqui há
nation
12
in
meses
crisis
atrás,
with a stagnant
eu tinha
economy,
acabado de
inflation at
receber
record levels,
uma
a
nação
wide
em
open
crise,
border,
com a inflação
horrendous
horrível,
recruitment for military and police,
com nossas
rampant
fronteiras
crime at home,
abertas,
and wars and chaos all over the world.
muito
But tonight,
crime, guerra
after
e
just
caos.
1 year, I can say with dignity
E
and
apenas
pride
depois
that
de
we have
ano,
achieved a transformation like no one has
nós
ever seen
conquistamos
before.
uma
And a
transformação
turnaround
que
for the
ninguém
ages.
nunca
It is
viu antes.
indeed a turnaround for the ages.
E é uma volta por cima que nós tivemos nesses 12 meses.
And we will never go back to where we were just a very short time ago. We're not going back.
E nós nunca
Today
vamos
our
voltar
border
para
is
onde
secure.
estávamos há pouco tempo atrás. Hoje, nossas fronteiras estão seguras.
Thank you. Today our border is secure.
Obrigado.
Our spirit is restored. Inflation
Nossas
is plummeting.
fronteiras estão
Incomes
seguras.
are rising fast.
A inflação está
The
muito melhor.
roaring economy is roaring like never before. And our
E a
enemies
economia
are
está
scared. Our
rugindo
military
como
and
nunca
police are
antes.
stacked. And America
Nossos
is
inimigos
respected
estão com
again,
medo.
perhaps like
E a América
never
está
before.
sendo respeitada novamente como nunca havia sido antes.
After 4 years in which millions and millions of illegal aliens poured across our borders, totally unvetted and
Depois de
unchecked,
4 anos,
we now have the
onde
strongest and most secure
imigrantes
border
ilegais
in
se
American
invadiram
history by far.
nosso país, nós conquistamos uma grande média de deportação de longe a melhor que já vimos.
In the past 9 months, 0 illegal aliens have been
Nos
admitted
últimos
to the
9
United
meses,
States.
0 imigrantes ilegais entraram no nosso país.
But we will always allow people to come in legally, people that will love our country and will work
Nós
hard
sempre
to
vamos
maintain
permitir que
our
pessoas
country.
trabalhadoras que gostam do nosso país, nós vamos permitir que elas entrem.
The flow of deadly fentanyl across our border is down by a record 56%.
O fluxo de
in
drogas
1 year.
ilegais entrando no nosso país reduziu drasticamente.
And last year, the murder rate saw its single largest decline in recorded history. This
no ano
is the
passado-
biggest decline, think of it, in recorded history.
No ano
the lowest
passado,
number
nós reduzimos
in over
o número de assassinatos.
125 years. Year
Um
1900,
número
in fact,
que não mudava em
substantially
mais de 100
before
anos
my
de
wonderful
história.
father. I had a wonderful father, Fred, before he was born, substantially before he was born. That's a long time
Muito
ago.
tempo antes do meu pai
He
nascer,
wouldn't like me to say that,
Muito
but that's
tempo
a long
atrás.
time ago. The Biden administration and its allies in Congress gave us the worst inflation in the history of our
a
country.
administração do
But in
Biden
12 months, my administration
nos deu
has
a pior
driven
inflação
core
que já tivemos na
inflation
história
down
desse
to the
país.
lowest level in more than 5 years. And in the last
E nós
3
conseguimos
months of
botar a inflação
2025, it was
o mais
down
baixo que
to
já esteve em 5 anos.
1.7%.
Ficou em apenas 1,7%.
Gasoline, which reached a peak of over $6 a gallon in some states under my predecessor, it was quite honestly a disaster.
A
It's
gasolina
now
que
below
estava muito alta
$2.30 a
no
gallon
meu
in most
predecessor,
states, and in some places $1.99 a
Em alguns
gallon. And
lugares,
when I visited the great state
estavam
of Iowa just
absurdamente
a few
caros.
weeks ago, I even saw
Como no estado de Iowa.
$1.85 a gallon for gasoline.
Descemos para $1,85 o galão.
Mortgage rates are the lowest in 4 years and falling fast, and the annual cost of a typical new mortgage is down almost
Os custos de casa estão
$5,000
mais baixos do que
since
já
I took
estiveram
office. 1
nos
year.
últimos anos.
And low interest rates will solve the Biden-created housing problem well, at the same
E as
time
taxas de
protecting
impostos
the
também
values
criadas
of
pelo
those
Biden.
people who already own a house that really feel rich for the first time in their lives. We want to protect those values. We want
Pessoas
to
que
keep those
criaram essas
values
taxas
up.
que
We're going to do
estavam
both.
enriquecendo. Nós vamos melhorar todas essas
And we are
taxas
going
e
to
vamos
keep it
fazer
that
tudo
way.
isso. E vamos
Stock
manter
market
dessa
has set
forma.
53 all-time record highs since the election. Think of that. 1 year. Boosting pensions,
ano, nós deixamos as
401ks,
taxas
and retirement
57%.
accounts for the millions and millions of Americans. They're all gaining. Everybody's up, way up. In 4
milhões e
long
milhões
years,
de
the last
americanos estão
administration
ganhando
got
com
less
isso.
than $1 trillion in new investment in the United States. And when I say less, substantially less. In 12 months,
E
I
tivemos
secured
mais de
commitments for
trilhão
more
de
than
dólares investidos
$18
no
trillion
nosso governo.
pouring in from all over the globe.
E nós temos hoje 18 trilhões de dólares entrando no nosso país, de todos os lugares do mundo.
Think of it, much less than $1 trillion for 4 years versus much more than $18 trillion for
Pense
1 year.
nisso.
What a difference
Investimentos de
a president makes.
1 trilhão de dólares contra 18 trilhões de dólares
A
nos
short time
últimos anos.
ago, we
É
were
muita
a dead
diferença.
country. Now we are the
pouco
hottest
tempo atrás,
country
nós éramos
anywhere
país
in the
morto.
world, the hottest.
E agora vejam onde estamos.
As thousands of new businesses are forming in factories, plants, and laboratories are being built,
Milhares de novos
we've added
negócios estão sendo formados no nosso
70,000 new
país.
construction jobs in just a very short period of time. It's getting bigger and
Nós
bigger and
tivemos
stronger.
milhares de novos
Nobody can
empregos sendo
believe what they're
criados na
watching.
construção.
American oil
e na
production is up
indústria.
by more
Ninguém
than
consegue acreditar no que está
600,000
acontecendo.
barrels a day, and we just received from our new friend and partner, Venezuela, more than 80 million barrels
Estamos-
of oil.
Acabamos de receber mais de 80 mil galões de óleo dos nossos parceiros, novos parceiros da Venezuela.
American natural gas production is at an all-time high because I kept my promise to drill, baby, drill.
Nossas taxas de busca de óleo também aumentaram bastante porque eu mantive a minha proposta de minerar a todo custo, de cavar e cavar.
More Americans are working today than at any time in the history
Mais
of our
americanos
country.
estão
Think about
trabalhando
that.
hoje
Any time
do que
in the
já
history of our
estiveram na
country, more
história do
working
nosso
today.
país.
And 100% of all jobs created under my administration have been in the
100%
private
dos
sector.
empregos criados na minha administração foram preenchidos.
We ended DEI in America.
Nós acabamos com o
We cut a
desemprego na
record
América.
number of job-killing regulations, and in 1 year we have lifted 2.4 million Americans, a record, off of food stamps.
Em um ano, nós conseguimos aumentar muito a nossa taxa de emprego e de americanos trabalhando no nosso país.
And for all of these reasons, I say tonight, members of Congress, the state
todas essas
of our
razões,
union
eu digo
is
para vocês,
strong.
O estado da nossa união é forte. Estamos fortes.
Our country is winning again. In fact, we're winning so much that we really don't know
Nosso país
what
está
to do about
ganhando
it.
de novo.
People
Nós
are
ganhamos
asking me,
tantos que a gente nem
please,
sabe
please,
o que
please,
fazer
Mr.
com isso.
President, we're winning too much. We can't
As
take
pessoas
it
me
anymore. We're
perguntam,
not
por
used to
favor,
winning in
a
our
gente está ganhando
country.
muito.
Until you came along,
que eu
we're
faço com
just
tantas
always
vitórias?
losing, but now we're winning too much.
Até você
And
chegar, a
I
gente só
say, no,
perdia
no,
e hoje a
no.
gente só
You're
ganha
going
e
to win
ganha.
again. You're going to win big.
Eu falo,
You're going to
não,
win bigger
vocês
than
vão
ever.
ganhar de
And to
novo.
prove that point,
Vocês vão ganhar
to prove
sempre,
that point,
sempre maior
here
e
with
melhor.
us tonight is a group of winners who just made the entire nation
E para provar
proud.
isso,
The men's
estamos aqui com um grupo de
gold medal
pessoas,
Olympic hockey team. Come on in.
pessoas que ganharam ouro para a nossa nação. Grupo de hockey que ganhou as medalhas de ouro para o nosso país.
Go ahead.
Continue.
That's the first time I've ever seen them get up. And actually,
É a primeira
not
vez que eu
all
os
of
vejo
them did
levantar.
get up. But they beat
Na
a
verdade, nem todos eles
fantastic
levantaram.
Canadian team in overtime, as everybody saw, as did the American women
Venceram
who
o
will
time
soon be coming
canadense.
to the White House.
como todos nós vimos.
They were in the Oval Office before, and I just want to say a second very big
Estiveram no Salão Oval
congratulations to Team USA. But I have to say
Quero
that,
dizer
and I told
grande
them this, and we
parabéns
took
para
a
o time
vote
americano.
of the team. I said, anybody votes no, I'm not doing it. So they stood there, and they weren't about
E
to
nós
say no,
tivemos
because I've
voto e
never
eu
seen
disse
a
que se alguém
goaltender
falar
play
não,
as well as
nós
goalie Connor
não vamos
Hellebuck.
fazer isso.
Think of it, 46 shots on goal, and I asked him, the one shot, the one where you put your stick in the back and it hit the neck of your stick and bounced off. You practiced that, or was that a little lucky?
Aquele lance que você
refused to
fez,
answer that
nós vamos
question.
todos nós vimos. Você praticou aquilo?
But I just want to tell you that the members of this great hockey squad will be very happy to hear, based on their vote and my vote, and in this case, my vote was more
Quero
important,
dizer que nós queremos
that I will
ouvir.
soon be presenting
Quero dizer
Connor with our highest civilian honor, which we will be given,
que eu vou
and which
vou
has
dar para o
been
Connor
given
nossa
to
maior
many
honra.
athletes over the years. But when I
Nós
say
damos
many,
para
not
muitos
too
atletas.
many, like 12. It's called the
Digo muitos, mas
highest
não muitos, por volta de
civilian
12.
honor in our country, the
A maior
Presidential
honra
Medal
civil
of Freedom.
do nosso país é a medalha da liberdade.
Great athletes have gotten that, very great, the best, and I thought he deserved it.
Ótimos
and I did take a
atletas,
vote, every single one of
melhores
them. They
atletas,
said, I'm
eles
not giving it if
mereceram.
anybody goes no, and every single one of them rapidly put up their hand. So I want to thank you all. What a special job
Quero
you
agradecer
did. What special champions you are.
pelo
Thank you
trabalho
very much.
especial que vocês fizeram e pelos campeões maravilhosos que vocês são.
I'm also pleased to say that the next time the Olympic torch is lit, it will be here in
E também quero
America
dizer
for the
que a próxima vez que a
2028
tocha das
Olympics, and
Olimpíadas
it's
for
the summer
acesa,
version
vai
right
ser aqui
in
nos
Los
Estados
Angeles. We're going to do a
Unidos.
good job in Los Angeles.
Vai ser em Los Angeles. E nós faremos um ótimo trabalho lá.
And Los Angeles is going to be safe, just like Washington, D.C. is
E
now
Los
one of the
Angeles
safest
estará
cities in
a
the
salvo,
country.
estará segura, assim como Washington DC hoje é uma das cidades mais seguras do país.
And this year, and I must say I got them both. I got them in my first term.
E esse ano,
And I was disappointed because I didn't think I'd be the president when this happened. But strange
pensei que eu não seria o
things took
presidente quando
place.
isso acontecesse.
And now I've got them
Coisas estranhas
because I got
aconteceram.
the Olympics and I got the 2026 FIFA World Cup.
E eu
and I
estive
wanted
nas
to claim
Olimpíadas
the
antigas e
250th, but I didn't get away with that one. I
também na
couldn't claim
Copa.
that one for myself. But we're getting the World Cup, so we have the World Cup and the
Mas
Olympics
nós
coming, and
teremos a
that is
Copa do
exciting
Mundo
news.
e as Olimpíadas chegando.
So this will be a year to celebrate our country.
Então
The
isso vai
heroes
ser
who
um
have
ano para celebrar o
kept it
nosso
free.
país.
Men like Buddy
E todos os
Hackett,
heróis que mantiveram
at
nosso
age
país
17,
livre.
Buddy volunteered to defend America in World War II, serving in the Pacific
Assim como
under the
os
great
veteranos de
General
guerra que
Douglas
defenderam nosso
MacArthur.
país na
He
Segunda
fought
Guerra Mundial.
bravely in the famous Battle of Manila, worked so hard. He was badly wounded and
Trabalharam
almost
duro
killed by enemy
nas
machine
guerras.
guns in Luzon. And 81 years ago this month, he liberated the largest internment camp in the Philippines, one of the largest anywhere in the world. But he earned
E
many honors,
81 anos
including a
atrás,
Purple
esse
Heart
país liderou
and a
uma das maiores
Bronze Star,
operações das
came home,
Filipinas.
started a family, and tonight he is in the gallery looking forward to July 4th,
Esses
2026,
heróis
his
voltaram para casa
100th
vitoriosos.
birthday.
E um deles está comemorando mais de 100 anos e está aqui conosco hoje.
So, buddy, you're a brave man, and we salute you. Even in times of challenge, setback,
Você é
and
homem
immense
bravo e
heartache,
nós
the spirit
o
of
salutamos.
1776 has always shone through
saudamos.
very brightly. It was July 4th of last year when floodwaters tore through a girls' summer camp in Central Texas. One of the worst things I've ever seen. I was there, rising 26 feet in
E
the
em julho do ano
matter of
passado, eu
minutes,
estava lá
tragically
quando
claiming many, many lives. You all
eu vi uma
remember that one.
tragédia no nosso
As
país.
the waters threatened to sweep her away, 11-year-old Millie Kate McClelland closed her eyes and prayed to God. She thought she was going to die. Those prayers were answered when Coast Guard rescue swimmer Scott Ruskin
esse massacre que
descended
aconteceu
from a
no centro
helicopter
do
above.
Texas,
Nobody knew where he
onde
came
nós
from.
tivemos
It
pobres
was Scott's
garotas.
first ever rescue mission,
mortas.
young guy, but
Foi horrível.
very brave, very, very top, always top in his class. And he lifted not just Millie Kate, but 164 others to safety. People watched Scott from a distance, and they couldn't believe what they were
As
seeing.
pessoas
The winds were
assistiram
blowing,
Scott
the rain was
enquanto
pouring,
ele salvava as
everything was
garotas e
going.
não
And that
acreditavam no que ele estava
rapid
fazendo.
water, nobody's ever seen anything like it. They said, "Wow, that's
Ele
something."
agiu rápido como ninguém nunca
Tonight,
jamais tinha
Scott
visto.
and Millie Kate are here together, reunited for the
E
very
hoje
first time.
Scott e
Thank
Millie
you,
Kate
Scott,
estão
Millie
aqui
Kate.
sobreviventes pela primeira vez. Muito obrigado.
And Petty Officer Ruskin, I'm pleased to inform you that I am now awarding you the Legion of Merit for Extraordinary Heroism, which
E eu
is
vou
what it
dar
was,
hoje para você,
extraordinary heroism. Thank you.
Para você, uma medalha de heroísmo extraordinário.
And I'd like to have the military aide to please come down and take care of the service. Military aide, thank you very much. Take care of that very important service. Thank
E eu
you.
gostaria que os militares tomassem cuidado, tomassem conta.
From
Esse momento, por
1776
favor.
to today, every generation of Americans has stepped forward to defend life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And
De
they're
muito
really
tempo
doing
atrás
it
até
for the
hoje,
next
nossos
generation.
heróis
But
fazem
now
tudo
it's
para
our turn.
proteger a nossa
Together we're
nação.
building a nation where every child has
E
the
por
chance
isso
to
estamos
reach higher
construindo
and
uma
go
nação
further.
onde todas as
Where government
crianças
answers to the
têm a
people, not the powerful,
possibilidade
and where the
de
interests
defender
of
o nosso
hardworking
país.
American citizens are always our first and ultimate concern. That is the debt
E a
we
nossa
owe to the
preocupação é sempre a
heroes
segurança
who
do
came
nosso
before
país e a
us,
melhora do nosso
and
país.
that is the promise we must keep to America for our
Isso é dedicado para os heróis que vieram
250th year.
antes de nós
Last year, I urged
e
this
também a
Congress
promessa
to
para
begin the
nossas
mission by
futuras
passing
gerações.
the largest tax cuts in American history, and our Republican majorities delivered so beautifully. Thank you, Republicans.
E os republicanos conseguiram diminuir todas as taxas que nós tivemos até hoje, então quero agradecer para vocês. Obrigado, republicanos.
All Democrats, every single one of them, voted against these really important and very necessary massive tax cuts.
E todos os democratas, absolutamente todos eles, votaram contra essa redução das taxas.
They wanted large-scale tax increases to hurt the people instead.
Eles queriam mais taxas para as
But we held
pessoas.
strong, and with the great, big, beautiful bill, we gave you no tax on tips, no tax on
Mas nós
overtime,
seguramos
and no
nossas contas
tax on
e nós
Social
conseguimos
Security
manter
for our great seniors.
a nação sem taxas e diminuir tudo para a nossa população.
And we also made interest on auto loans tax deductible the first time, but only if the car
E
is
também
made
diminuímos
in
os juros.
America.
Pela primeira vez nós diminuímos as taxas de juros na América.
Recently in Pennsylvania, I met Megan Hemhauser, a devoted mom whose homeschools
Conheci a
her
Megan
children,
recentemente na
beautiful two
Pensilvânia.
children, during the day while
Uma mãe
waiting
de duas
tables at
filhas.
night, as her husband works overtime, operating very heavy
Que cuida de
equipment.
casa,
Megan is
cuida do
here
seu
this
marido que
evening, and
trabalha
she's
hora extra fora de
happy
casa.
to tell you that she is so much richer because with no tax
E
on
eu
tips,
tenho orgulho
no
de
tax on
dizer
overtime,
que essa
and her
mulher hoje está
expanded
muito mais
child
rica
tax credit
por conta
done
das taxas
again
que
by
nós cortamos.
Republicans. Megan and her husband will take home more than $5,000 extra just for the year, cutting
Então,
her
por
tax
conta
bill
dessas
in more
taxas
than half.
que os democratas foram contra, eles estão voltando para casa com mais de $5.000, ela e seu esposo.
Megan, please stand up. We're fighting for you, Megan.
A Megan, por favor, levante, nós estamos lutando por você.
Thank you, Megan.
Obrigado, Megan.
Thank you, Megan. We're fighting for you, Megan. Under our bill,
Obrigado,
parents like
Megan. Nós
Megan
estamos
can also activate their
lutando
children's
por você.
brand new Trump accounts. And I didn't name it. I did not name it.
E nós
I
também
did not
estamos
name
ativando
that.
as novas contas de Trump para as crianças. Não fui eu que nomeei.
Nobody believes me, but I did not name it. It was named by a very tall man. sitting
Ninguém
right
acredita em
there
mim,
in
mas
the
não
third
fui eu que
row.
nomeei.
Nice man, a good man. Tax-free investment accounts for every American child. This is something that's so special and has taken off and gone through the roof. Millions will be pre-funded courtesy of the
Livres
U.S.
de taxa
Treasury and
para
private
milhões
individuals
de
like
pessoas.
Michael and Susan Dell, who have donated
Para pessoas como Michael e Susan
$250 million
Dale.
to fund the Trump accounts for 25 million American children.
Nós estamos
The
investindo
great
muito
people.
dinheiro para muitas crianças americanas através das contas de Trump.
You know, I asked Michael Dell, how do you make all that money? He said, well, I just sat on my dorm in school and I made computers and I'd sell them to people. And I just
Eu
kept
perguntei para ele,
selling
como
and
que ele ganha
selling
tanto
and
dinheiro?
selling. And pretty
E eu falei,
amazing story. That's called the
só
American dream. He sold a lot of
vendo
computers, a lot of
computadores para as
those
pessoas e eu
laptops. So I congratulate him on
continuo
that, but I
vendendo,
really
vendendo,
thank
vendendo.
him and Susan, as well as others like Brad
e
Gerstner,
ganhando
very
dinheiro.
tremendous guy. He was behind it right from the beginning. Brad Gerstner. Thank you, Brad.
Eu quero agradecer também o Brad, que é uma das mentes que estava por trás de todo esse projeto. Muito obrigado, Brad.
So with modest additional contributions, these young people's accounts could grow to over $100,000 or more by the time they turn 18. Think of it. How much money is that for somebody
Então, Com a ajuda dessas pessoas, nós temos contas das nossas crianças que vão gerar muito dinheiro para elas até elas chegarem em 18 anos. E essas pessoas estão fazendo investimentos nas nossas crianças.
Trumpaccounts.gov. And a lot of people are doing it. They're setting every record in the book. It's popular. They knew what it was going to take. I'm so proud of them. I'm so proud of the people that got it started. And now it's just taken off.
Estou muito orgulhoso das pessoas que apoiaram e começaram esse projeto, as contas de Trump, para investir nas nossas crianças.
The biggest in history, where the Dow Jones broke 50,000 4 years ahead of schedule, and the S&P hit 7,000, where it wasn't supposed to do it for many years, were tariffs. I use these tariffs.
E por conta das tarifas, nós conseguimos evoluir nosso país em muito tempo, adiantar progresso futuro.
Everything was working well. Countries that were ripping us off for decades are now paying us hundreds of billions of dollars.
E por causa disso, países que estavam nos roubando por muito tempo estão nos pagando hoje milhões de dólares. E até os democratas sabem isso, só que eles não querem admitir. Nós fizemos negócios, nós fizemos acordos, e está todo mundo feliz.
There was no inflation, tremendous growth, and the big story was how Donald Trump called the economy correctly, and 22 Nobel Prize winners in economics didn't. They got it totally wrong.
E a história que vai aparecer vai ser como o Trump conseguiu melhorar o país e trazer vários prêmios Nobel para o país.
Unfortunate ruling from the United States Supreme Court. It just came down. It came down. Very unfortunate ruling. But the good news is that almost all countries and corporations want to keep the deal that they already made, right, Scott? Knowing that the legal power that I, as president, have to make a new deal could be far worse for them, and therefore they will continue to work along the same successful path that we had negotiated before the Supreme Court's unfortunate involvement.
E eu, como presidente, tenho que traçar todos esses planos e fechar essas negociações para que mantenhamos nosso país seguro e nossa economia em alta.
Will remain in place under fully approved and tested alternative legal statutes, and they have been tested for a long time. They're a little more complex, but they're actually probably better, leading to a solution that will be even stronger than before.
E nós estamos pensando em uma solução que vai ser mais forte do que qualquer uma anterior para manter o sucesso do nosso país. Enquanto o tempo passa, eu acredito que as tarifas
substantially replace the modern day system of income tax, taking a great financial burden
vão
off the
substituir
people
o
that
nosso
I love.
sistema de impostos atual para melhorar a vida das pessoas que nós amamos.
Right? Moving forward, factories, jobs, investment, and trillions of dollars will continue pouring into the United States of America. Because we finally have a president who puts America first.
Trilhões de dólares de investimentos para os Estados Unidos. Eu amo a América.
For decades before I came along, we had the exact
décadas antes de eu chegar,
from trade to healthcare, from energy to immigration. Everything was stolen and rigged in order to drain the wealth out of the productive, hard-working people who make our country great, who make our country run.
Que fazem nosso país bom país.
Partners in Congress and beyond, it reached a breaking point with the Green New Scam, open borders for everyone. They poured in by the millions and millions from prisons, from mental institutions. They were murderers, 11,888 murders. They came into our country. You allowed that to happen.
Assassinos eram permitidos entrar no nosso país. Nós permitíamos que isso acontecesse. E a inflação era muito alta.
Now the same people in this chamber who voted for those disasters
agora, as mesmas pessoas que votaram nesses desastres estão aqui.
Knowing full well that they caused and created the increased prices that
Sendo que eles mesmos que criaram essas taxas e problemas para o nosso país. Aumentaram os preços. Vocês causaram esse problema para o nosso país.
They knew their statements were a lie. They knew it. They knew their statements were a dirty, rotten lie.
Eles sabiam que era sujo o que estavam fazendo. As políticas deles criaram os preços altos, ao contrário das nossas políticas, que fazem com que os preços caiam, despenquem.
The price of eggs is down 60%.
O preço dos ovos desceu 16%.
Cost of chicken, butter, fruit, hotels, automobiles, rent is lower today than when I took office by a lot.
Galinha, automóveis,
and even beef, which was very high, is starting to come down significantly.
E até a carne que estava muito alta, o preço está muito mais baixo.
And soon you will see numbers that few people would think were possible to achieve just a short time.
E em breve vocês verão números que poucas pessoas acham que isso será possível. Mas vocês não vão acreditar nos números que vocês vão ver quando nós apresentarmos. Vocês não vão acreditar.
Tax cut. I'm also confronting one of the biggest rip-offs of our times, the crushing cost of healthcare.
E também estou lidando com a maior coisa que já aconteceu no nosso país, que é o custo de planos de saúde de modo geral. As empresas de plano de saúde estavam enriquecendo às custas dos americanos, ganhando milhões de dólares por ano.
And even 1,700%, like nothing else. That's why I introduced the great healthcare plan. I want to stop all
e é por isso que eu apresentei o plano de medidas contra os planos de saúde para cortes de gastos e fazer com que as pessoas sejam capazes de comprar os seus próprios medicamentos.
In addition, my plan requires maximum price transparency. That's a big deal.
Além disso, meu plano envolve transparência total de gastos. Eu fiz isso no meu primeiro mandato. E os democratas votaram contra, sabendo que estavam fazendo algo ruim para as pessoas.
Prescription drugs like has never happened before.
E também estou diminuindo o preço dos medicamentos sob prescrição médica, de um modo que nunca foi visto antes.
Other presidents tried to do it, but they never could. They tried.
Outros presidentes tentaram fazer isso, mas eles nunca conseguiram.
They said they tried. They couldn't do it. They didn't even come close.
Eles disseram que tentaram.
They were all talk and no action, but I got it done.
Mas eles falavam e não faziam nada.
Favored nation agreements, Americans who have for decades paid by far the highest prices of any nation anywhere in the world for prescription drugs will now pay the lowest price anywhere in the world for drugs.
E por muitos anos nós americanos pagávamos o maior preço para medicamentos com prescrição. Hoje nós vamos pagar o menor preço da história.
So in my first year of the second term,
então, no meu primeiro ano do segundo mandato, deveria ser meu terceiro mandato, mas coisas estranhas acontecem. Eu diminuí o preço dos medicamentos do maior preço para o menor na história.
500, 500, 600% and more. All available right now at a new website called TrumpRx.gov. And I didn't name that one either, by the way.
E está tudo disponível no nosso site, que eu também não nomeei.
And here tonight is the very first customer ever to get that big discount, and it is big. Catherine Rayner. For 5 years, she
E
and
aqui
her
conosco a
husband have
Catherine,
struggled with
a primeira
infertility.
pessoa que conseguiu
They
comprar os
turned to
medicamentos com esse
IVF.
desconto, e foi um grande
One drug
desconto.
has been
Ela está aqui
costing
conosco essa
Catherine
noite.
$4,000 to purchase. But a few weeks ago, she logged onto the Trump RX website and got that same drug that cost $4,000, got it for under $500, a reduction of much more, actually, than $3,500.
E ao se cadastrar no programa e entrar no site, ela conseguiu uma redução de preço enorme no medicamento que ela costumava pagar vários dólares. Hoje ela paga muito menos, muito abaixo do preço através do nosso programa.
So now I'm calling on Congress to codify my most favored nation program into law. Now, the one thing, I'm not sure it matters because it's going to be very hard for somebody that comes along after me to say, let's raise drug prices by 700 or 800%. But John and Mike, if you don't mind, codify it anyway. They may do it. Codify it anyway. Thank you. Many Americans are also concerned that energy demand from AI data centers could unfairly drive up their
Muitos americanos estão preocupados também que a energia por conta da IA vai ficar muito alta no nosso país.
You know what that is? We're telling the major tech companies that they have the obligation to provide for their own power needs. They can build their own power plants as part of their
as empresas de tecnologia devem ser responsáveis por criar a sua própria fonte de energia para que o preço da energia das pessoas não aumente.
And very substantially down. This is a unique strategy never used in this country before. We have an old grid that can never handle the kind of
estratégia única que nunca foi usada nesse país antes.
So I'm telling them they can build their own plant. They're going to produce their own electricity. It will ensure the company's ability to get electricity while at the same time lowering prices of electricity for you and could be very substantial for all of your cities and towns.
Diminuir o preço da eletricidade, da energia elétrica para a população americana.
Another pillar of the American dream that has been under attack is home ownership. With us tonight is Rachel Wiggins, a mom of 2 from Houston. She placed bids on 20 homes and lost all of those bids to gigantic investment firms that bypassed inspection, paid all cash, and turned those houses into rentals, stealing away her American dream. She was devastated. Stories like this are why last month I signed executive order to ban large Wall Street investment firms from buying up in the thousands single-family homes.
E eu assinei um decreto para impedir que empresas comprem as casas de pessoas que necessitam delas.
And now I'm asking Congress to make that ban permanent because homes for people.
E eu peço para o Congresso fazer esse banimento permanente.
For people, not for corporations.
Nós queremos casas para nossas pessoas. Nós não queremos que as corporações, grandes empresas e corporações comprem as casas das nossas pessoas.
We're also working to make it easier for Americans to save for retirement. And under this administration, we will always protect Social Security and Medicare. They are not protecting it for our seniors. We will always protect Social Security,
Nossos idosos não estão protegidos, mas nós queremos protegê-los através de programas como Medicare.
Since I took office, the typical 401k balance is up by at least $30,000. That's a lot of money. We have millions and millions of people, because the stock market has done so well, setting all those records, your 401ks are way up. Yet half of all of working Americans still do not have access to a retirement plan with matching contributions from
Desde que eu assumi o governo, nós temos inúmeras pessoas que não conseguiam se aposentar.
Next year, my administration will give these often forgotten American workers, great people, the people that built our country,
E nós vamos dar para essas pessoas acesso a esse tipo de aposentadoria que eles eram negados anteriormente.
As we ensure that all Americans can profit from a rising stock market, let's also ensure that members of Congress cannot corruptly profit from using insider information.
Nós vamos ter certeza que membros do Congresso não se beneficiem de informação interna, assim como queremos garantir que nossas pessoas tenham direito à aposentadoria.
They stood up for that. I can't believe it.
Eles levantaram, não consigo acreditar.
I can't believe it. Did Nancy Pelosi stand up if she's here? Doubt it. Pass the Stop Insider Trading Act without delay. I wasn't sure if anybody even on this side was going to applaud for that. I'm very impressed. Thank you.
Eu não tinha certeza que as pessoas desse lado fossem aplaudir para qualquer coisa que eu falei.
It's plundering America. There's been no more stunning example than
Para falar de corrupção que acontece na América, nós temos que falar de Minnesota.
Pillaged an estimated $19 billion from the American taxpayer. Oh, we have all the information. And in actuality, the number is much higher than that.
Mais de 19 milhões de dólares das pessoas americanas. E muitos outros estados são ainda piores. A corrupção que está devastando o nosso país.
Started 4 months ago, I am officially announcing the war on fraud to be led by our great Vice President J.D. Vance.
E eu estou anunciando que daqui a alguns meses o nosso vice-presidente J.D. Vance liderará uma campanha contra a fraude no nosso país.
He'll get it done.
Ele vai conseguir fazer isso.
Of that fraud, we will actually have a balanced budget overnight. It'll go very quickly.
Nós teremos um orçamento equilibrado para isso. Para lutar contra os piratas saqueadores que roubaram o estado de Minnesota.
Importing these cultures through unrestricted immigration and open borders brings those problems right here to the USA. And it is the American people who pay the price in higher medical bills, car.
E agora falando sobre as bordas, sobre as fronteiras abertas que trazem problemas para os nossos cidadãos americanos, nós vamos lidar com esse problema. Nós vamos lidar com isso.
Delilah Coleman was only 5 years old in June 2024 when a 18-wheel tractor trailer plowed into her stopped car traveling at 60 miles an hour or more.
Uma criança de apenas 5 anos foi atropelada por um trator que estava sendo dirigido por um imigrante ilegal que pegou a sua carteira de motorista através do governo do Biden.
She wouldn't even be able to eat again, but against all odds, she is now in the 1st grade learning to walk, and she's here this evening with her dad, Marcus, a fantastic man. Delilah, please.
E ela está aqui hoje com o seu pai, Marcus. Por favor, se levante.
Thank you, Delilah. Many, if not most, illegal aliens do not speak English and cannot read even the most basic road signs as to direction, speed, danger, or location.
Maior parte desses imigrantes nem sabem falar inglês e não conseguem nem ler as placas de trânsito.
Delilah Law, barring any state from granting commercial driver's licenses to illegal aliens.
E então por isso estamos criando a Lei Delilah que proíbe que qualquer estado permita carteiras de motorista para imigrantes ilegais.
And yesterday, as you probably saw at the White House, I hosted a ceremony with Americans who lost their treasured loved ones to the scourge of illegal immigration. People came into our country, how we allowed this to happen with our open borders. These are the angel moms and families that for decades our government betrayed and our media totally ignored. It was terrible. Hard to believe, actually.
Pessoas que foram ignoradas pela nossa mídia por governos anteriores.
In 2023, a 16-year-old high school cheerleader named Elizabeth Medina was supposed to perform in her town's Christmas parade, but she never arrived.
Com 16 anos, ia performar na sua cidade e quando ela estava indo para casa, ela nunca chegou. Foi encontrada morta depois de ter sido esfaqueada 25 vezes. 25 vezes.
Alien who had broken in and brutally extinguished the brightest light in her family's life, violently and viciously. Her heartbroken mother is in the gallery to remind everyone in this chamber exactly why we are deporting illegal alien criminals to our country at record numbers.
Então estamos deportando
the hell out of here fast.
Imigrantes ilegais que nos fazem mal nesse país.
Thank you very much, Jacqueline. Thank you.
Muito obrigado.
We can never forget that many in this room not only allowed
Nunca podemos esquecer que muitos nessa sala
before I got involved, but indeed they would do it all
que essas
over again.
pessoas invadissem as nossas fronteiras. E eles fariam tudo de novo se tivessem a chance. Eles abririam as fronteiras para deixar os piores criminosos do mundo entrar. A única coisa que está defendendo a América desses imigrantes ilegais sou eu, presidente Donald Trump.
As we speak, Democrats in this chamber have cut off all funding for the Department of Homeland Security. It's all cut off. It's all cut off.
Estão
They have instituted another Democrat shutdown, the first one costing us 2 points
contra as nossas
GDP.
leis.
2 points we lost on GDP, which probably made them quite happy, actually. Now they have closed the agency responsible for protecting Americans from terrorists and murderers. Tonight I'm demanding the full and immediate restoration of all funding for the border security, homeland security.
Hoje eu estou pedindo
of the United States and also for
investimento para nossas empresas que protegem o nosso país.
We have no money because of the Democrats, and it would be nice. We'd love to give you a hand at cleaning it up, but you gave no money. Nobody's getting paid. It's a shame. So you have to think about it. We have, in case you didn't know, a pretty large snowstorm out there. One of the great things about the State of the Union is how it gives Americans the chance to see clearly what their representatives really believe. So tonight I'm inviting every legislature to join with my administration in reaffirming a fundamental principle. If you agree with this statement, then stand up and show your support.
Para concordar comigo e mostrar o seu apoio a essas políticas que nossas políticas americanas estão propondo nesse momento.
Isn't that a shame? You should be ashamed of yourself not standing up. You should be ashamed of yourself.
É uma vergonha. Vocês deveriam estar envergonhados de não levantarem.
To end deadly sanctuary cities that protect the criminals and enact serious penalties for public officials.
Por isso que eu quero que vocês acabem também com a cidade santuário que protegem os criminosos.
Murderers all over our country.
E protegem às vezes assassinos e vocês estão bloqueando a remoção dessas pessoas do nosso país. Vocês deveriam estar envergonhados.
And perhaps most importantly, I'm asking you to approve the Save America Act.
Eu quero que vocês aprovem o Salve a América, o ato Salve a América.
To stop illegal aliens and others who are unpermitted persons from voting in our sacred American
de votar nas nossas eleições americanas.
It's very simple. All voters must show voter ID.
Todos os votantes precisam mostrar a identidade de voto.
All voters must show proof of citizenship in order to vote.
Todos os votantes precisam mostrar provas de cidadania.
And no more crooked mail-in ballots except for illness, disability, military or travel. None.
E sem mais desculpas para não votar, somente doença, viagem, militar.
And by the way, it's polling at 89%, including Democrats, 89%. And even the new communist mayor of New York City, I think he's a nice guy, actually. Speak to him a lot. Bad policy, but nice guy. Just said they want people to shovel snow. They got hit hard. Want them to shovel snow, but if you apply for that job, you need to show 2 original forms of ID and a social security card.
A sua neve. Ou façam trabalhos de pessoas imigrantes. Mas até para isso as pessoas agora vão precisar de identificação.
No good. Both Republicans and Democrats overwhelmingly agree on the policy that we just
E tanto republicanos como democratas concordam
should unite and enact this common sense, country-saving legislation right now, and it should be before anything else happens.
Tem que acontecer antes de mais nada.
And the reason they don't want to do it, why would anybody not want voter ID? One reason, because they want to cheat. There's only one reason.
Não iria querer uma identidade para votar, porque eles querem roubar. Eles querem roubar as eleições. E eles falam que isso é racista, mas que imaginação. Não é isso, é que eles querem roubar. A única forma deles serem eleitos é se eles roubarem. Nós precisamos parar com isso.
And here is one more opportunity to show common sense in government. In the gallery tonight,
está mais uma chance de vocês mostrarem bom senso.
Mother, Michelle. In 2021, Sage was 14 when school officials in Virginia sought to socially transition her to a new gender, treating her as a boy and hiding it from her parents. Hard to believe,
quando uma criança estava
Before long, a confused Sage ran away from home after
de gênero.
She was found in a horrific situation in Maryland.
E ela foi encontrada numa situação horrível.
Sage to her parents because they did not immediately state that their daughter was their son. Sage was thrown into an
E eles não sabiam
all-boys
o que
state
dizer
home
porque a sua
and
filha agora era
suffered
filho.
terribly for a long time. But today, all of that
Eles
is
sofreram
behind
muito
them
por muito
because
tempo.
Sage is a proud and wonderful young woman with a full ride scholarship to Liberty University.
Eles não sofrem mais com isso porque ela voltou a ser uma mulher com bolsa de estudos e vivendo normalmente.
And thank you for your great bravery. And who can believe that we're even speaking about things like this? 15 years ago, if somebody was up here and said that, they'd say, what's wrong with him?
E que
now we have to say it
absurdo a
because
gente
it's
está falando
going
sobre
on
isso
all
aqui.
over numerous states without even telling the parents.
E isso tem
But surely we can
acontecido o
all
tempo
agree
inteiro.
no state can be allowed to rip children from their parents' arms and transition them to a new gender against the
Mas podemos
parents'
dizer
will.
que
Who
nenhum
would
estado
believe
deve
that
ser
we're even talking
permitido
about this?
tirar as
We
crianças dos seus
must ban
pais e
it,
trocar o
and
gênero
we
delas.
must ban it immediately.
Nós devemos banir isso.
Look, nobody stands up. These people are crazy. I'm telling
Ninguém
you. They're
levanta.
crazy.
Essas pessoas são loucas. Elas são loucas, tô te falando, são doidas.
Amazing. Incredible. Boy, oh boy. We're lucky we have a country. With people like this, Democrats are destroying our country, but we've stopped it just in
Os
the nick of time,
democratas estão
didn't we?
destruindo nosso país.
No one cares more about protecting America's youth than our wonderful First Lady, now a movie star. She's a movie star. Can you
Ninguém
believe
se
it?
preocupa mais em proteger os
Who would
jovens do
believe
nosso
that?
país como a nossa primeira
Over the
dama.
past year, she has had an incredible impact championing AI legislation, advancing a landmark executive order on foster care, and helping secure
No
$30 million
último ano, ela
to
teve
launch the
papel
Melania Trump
importante
Foster
em
Youth
guardar,
to
em
Independence
economizar muito dinheiro para o
Initiative. It's
nosso
a
país
tremendous-
através de várias empresas
really a
diferentes e
tremendous
frentes
thing that
diferentes
happened,
dentro
and
do
had a
nosso
lot
governo.
of bipartisan support. She gets much better bipartisan support than I do. I get none. She gets a lot.
Ela é muito
Someday you're
melhor
gonna
em
have to
fechar
tell me how you
parcerias do
did
que eu.
that.
Ela consegue todas, eu não
And
consigo nenhuma.
students and educators in every state have joined the First Lady's efforts in the presidential AI challenge, keeping America's next generation positioned to succeed and strongly succeed in the
E
future.
várias pessoas têm juntado a primeira-dama
Tonight, we
na sua
welcome
missão
two young
de
people
trazer
whose lives
para a próxima
reflect the
geração
First
estudos
Lady's
sobre
impact.
inteligência artificial.
Sierra Burns and Everest Nevermont. Thank you both, and Melania, thank you. I know how hard you worked on it. Thank you very much.
Obrigado, Melania. Eu sei quão duro você trabalha.
I'm very proud to say that during my time in office, both the first 4 years and
Tenho
in
muito orgulho de
particular
dizer
this
que
last year,
durante meu
there has
período
been a
aqui
tremendous renewal in religion, faith, Christianity, and belief in
teve
God.
uma renovação de
Tremendous,
religião e cristianidade no nosso país, e fé.
This is especially true among young people, and a big part of that
Isso é
has to do
especialmente
with
verdade entre pessoas
my great
jovens.
friend, Charlie Kirk, a great guy, great man.
Como vocês viram com o meu grande amigo Charlie Kirk.
So last year, Charlie was violently murdered by an assassin.
Ano passado, Charlie
and
foi
martyred,
assassinado
really, martyred
violentamente.
for his beliefs.
pelas suas crenças.
Erica is with us tonight. Erica, please stand.
E a sua esposa Erica está conosco aqui hoje.
Thank you, Erica.
Obrigado, Erica.
In Charlie's memory, we must all come together to reaffirm that America is one nation under God, and we must totally reject political violence of any kind.
É uma nação abaixo de Deus e nós devemos renunciar a toda violência política.
We love religion.
Nós amamos religião e nós amamos trazê-la de volta. E nós vamos trazer de modo que ninguém nunca imaginou que fosse possível.
We have made incredible strides, yet dangerous repeat offenders continue to be released by pro-crime Democrat politicians again and again.
E políticos a favor do crime continuam liberando assassinos e marginais nas nossas ruas.
In 2022, she and her beautiful daughter, so beautiful, what a beautiful young woman, Irina fled war-torn Ukraine to live with relatives near Charlotte, North Carolina. And by the way, what's going on with Charlotte? Last summer, 23-year-old Irina was riding home on the train when a deranged monster
como o caso da Irina, que estava voltando para casa
was released through no cash bail, stood up and viciously
e
slashed
foi atacada
a knife
por alguém que
through her neck
já
and
devia ter
body.
sido preso várias vezes.
No one will ever forget there were people on that train.
Ninguém nunca vai esquecer
No
isso.
one will ever forget the expression of terror on Irina's face as she looked up at her attacker in the last seconds of her life. She died instantly.
Ninguém vai esquecer do seu rosto quando alguém a atacou.
Set free to kill in America, came in through open borders.
E esse marginal entrou através das nossas fronteiras abertas e já devia ter sido preso várias vezes e conseguiu atacar uma cidadã americana.
How do you not stand? How do you not stand? I'm asking this Congress to pass tough legislation to ensure that violent and dangerous repeat offenders are put behind bars, and importantly that they stay there.
Eu estou falando que a gente deve prender pessoas que fazem mal para esse país e vocês não levantam.
Starting last summer, I deployed our National Guard and federal law enforcement to restore law and order to our most dangerous cities, including Memphis, Tennessee, big success.
Para fazer com que cidades como Memphis, Texas,
big success, and our nation's capital itself,
cidades perigosas
Washington, D.C., where we have almost no crime anymore in Washington, D.C. How did that happen?
Sejam limpas e fiquem como Washington, D.C., onde a gente não tem quase nenhum crime mais.
In fact, crime in Washington is now at the lowest level ever recorded, and murders in D.C. this January were down close to 100% from a year ago.
E diminuímos em quase 100% de ano atrás.
They don't like to hear that. One of the brave service members who helped achieve this stunning turnaround was 20-year-old West Virginia Army National Guard Specialist Sarah.
E uma das pessoas que conseguiram conquistar isso
deployment, she voluntarily extended
nosso querido militar que
her rank was going to be lifted. She was doing so well. They were so proud of her.
Que serviu por muito tempo e teria sua patente elevada em breve.
Near the White House when she was ambushed and shot in the head by a
mas
terrorist
essa
monster
militar
from
foi atacada
Afghanistan. Shouldn't have been in our country.
e tomou um tiro na cabeça.
And all because she wore the uniform of our nation, she was shot.
E tudo porque ela usava o uniforme da nossa nação. Ela foi morta.
He was sick and deranged. Shouldn't have been in our country.
Foi doentio.
Sarah Beckstrom died in order to defend our capital.
A Sarah morreu para defender o nosso país.
Gary and Evalie, your daughter was a true American patriot, and she will be greatly missed. She was a great person. I saw reports on her that never seen anything like her.
E a sua filha será sempre lembrada na história do nosso país.
So sorry. Thank you very much.
Sinto muito.
Great young
Muito
lady.
obrigado.
I saw reports that were like perfect. She was perfect.
Ela era uma jovem fenomenal. Ela era
Serving
perfeita. Eu vi os
alongside Sarah
relatórios.
that day was Staff Sergeant Andrew Wolf.
E junto com ela,
The terrorist
o
shot
Andrew também
Andrew in the
estava.
head, and no one thought he
Também
could
atiraram
possibly
nele.
make it.
E ninguém
Two of
pensou
them,
que ele ia
Sarah and
sobreviver.
Andrew, both shot violently in the
Ambos,
head.
Sarah e Andrew,
Neither
foram
was expected to make
atiraram
it.
neles na cabeça.
They weren't even given a chance,
E ninguém
except his
imaginou
wonderful
que ele
mother,
fosse sobreviver.
named Melody, who I spoke to the same night.
E a mãe dele, a
She was so
Melody,
positive. The doctors thought that
ela
Andrew was
foi
gone.
muito
But his mother said,
otimista.
no, Mr. President, Andrew will be fine. He's going to make it. I've never seen anything like it.
E ela disse pra mim que ele vai sair dessa, ele vai conseguir. E
She
ele
said, I have
não
no
tinha quase
doubt,
chance
sir, he's
nenhuma.
going to be okay. This was a
E ela não tinha
conversation that I
dúvidas.
had
Ela
with her
falou,
that
ele vai
night,
ficar bem.
with her son laying helplessly in bed, blood all over.
E a conversa que eu tive com ela
Everybody is
naquela
praying,
noite foi
she
essa.
said, sir, he will be
Todo mundo
okay.
está
The
rezando, ela
doctors
disse. E ela
didn't
dizia,
understand
ele
what
vai
she was
ficar ok,
saying.
ele vai ficar bem.
And after looking at the
Os doutores
results
não
of the
entendiam o que ela
damage
estava
done,
falando.
neither did I. She was so strong
Eu
and
olhei para os
conclusive
resultados, eu
that
também
even
não
Andrew's
acreditava.
great father felt she didn't really understand the gravity of the situation.
E até o pai do Andrew
But she
achou que
turned
ela não
out to be
sabia da
right,
gravidade
right,
da
Melanie?
situação.
She turned out to be right.
Mas acredita que ela estava certa? Ela estava certa.
Amazing, actually. I said, where does this woman
Maravilhoso, na
come from?
verdade.
She's the most positive person I've ever met.
Essa
God's help,
mulher é a
Andrew
mais
has
positiva que eu já
battled back from the edge of
conheci, mais
death,
otimista.
and we're talking about the edge of death. On his way
E ele
to
estava à
a
beira da morte.
miraculous recovery. He's got a little work to do, but he's doing
Precisava
great.
de milagre para
Nice to see
voltar.
you. He's a good-looking guy. Nice to see you. Thanks, Andrew.
E conseguiu.
very
É muito
much.
bom te ver, Andrew. Uma ótima aparência.
So, Andrew, while you're up, now I'm going to ask a highly respected General James Seward to present Staff
Andrew,
Sergeant
enquanto você está
Andrew Wolf
em
and
pé,
the
eu vou
great family
pedir
of
para o nosso
Sarah
general
Beckstrom with the award created by our late great President George Washington
dar
himself. It's called the
essa
Purple Heart.
medalha que se chama o Coração Roxo.
We love you all. Love you.
Nós
We're
amamos
proudly
vocês.
restoring safety for Americans at home, and we are also
Estamos
restoring
orgulhosamente
security
voltando
for
a
Americans
segurança
abroad. Our
para os
country
nossos
has never
cidadãos
been
americanos.
stronger. My first 10 months, I ended
Nosso
8
país nunca
wars,
esteve tão forte.
including Cambodia.
Eu acabei
Isn't
com
it funny?
8 guerras,
Sick people.
até na Camboja, não é engraçado?
Cambodia and Thailand. Pakistan and
Camboja,
India would have been a
Tailândia,
nuclear war.
Paquistão
35
e
million
Índia.
people said the Prime Minister of Pakistan would have died if it were not for my involvement. Kosovo and Serbia.
Muitas pessoas
Israel
teriam
and
morrido se não
Iran,
fosse
Egypt
eu.
and Ethiopia.
Israel,
Armenia
Irã,
and Azerbaijan.
Egito e Etiópia,
The Congo and Rwanda. And of course, the
Congo
war
e
in
Ruanda.
Gaza, which proceeds at a very low
e também
level.
a
It's just
guerra
about
em
there.
Gaza.
And I want to thank Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner for your help. Thank you, Steve.
Eu quero agradecer o Steve e Jerry pela ajuda.
And I also want to thank the man they report to, Secretary of
Eu
State
também quero agradecer o
Marco
homem que
Rubio.
eles
Thank you,
respondem,
Marco.
Marco Rubio. Obrigado.
People like you. You know, Marco got
pessoas gostam de
100% of
você.
the votes when he was in confirmation. I think our
Temos
next one was
100%
about
dos votos.
54%. And some of the Democrats are
Eu
now
acho que o nosso
saying, I
próximo será
can't believe we approved that guy.
64%.
And
E
he said
eu
it's an
acredito
honor
que
that
as
they
pessoas
feel
falam,
that way.
não
Right,
acredito que a gente
Marco?
aprovou esse
You have
cara.
done a great job, great Secretary of State. I
E
think
você
he'll go
fez
down as the
ótimo
best
trabalho,
ever.
Marco. Você é o melhor de todos.
Under the ceasefire I negotiated, every single hostage, both living and dead, has been returned
Eu
home. Can you
negociei
believe
todos
that?
os presos de guerra para que eles voltassem para casa. Vocês conseguem acreditar nisso?
Nobody thought it was possible.
Ninguém
Nobody
pensou que
thought
era
that was
possível.
possible. Both
Ninguém
living and
pensou que
dead,
era
and those
possível.
parents who had a dead son, their boy, they'd always tell me their boy, they wanted him as much
E
as
aqueles
though
pais
he
que
were
tinham
living.
filhos
It was
mortos que não
an
conseguiam
amazing
voltar
period of
para
time.
casa.
And they came back, and when we got all of the living hostages back,
E
and many,
eles
many before
voltaram.
that, but I always said those last 20 are going to be very tough, but we got many, many more, hundreds. But I said
Nós
those
temos
last
muito mais para
20 are going to
trazer.
be tough. We got them back, but we only got back
E nós
14
trouxemos de
or
volta
15
esses últimos 20,
of the dead, of the 28.
15, 30.
And believe it or not, Hamas worked along with Israel,
E se
and
acredite
they
ou não,
dug, and they dug,
o
and they
Hamas
dug.
trabalhou junto
It's
com
a tough
com
thing to
Israel
do.
para
Going
isso.
through bodies all over, passing up
E eles cavaram
100
para
bodies
encontrar os
sometimes for
corpos.
each one that they found. Tough job. And they
Foi
finally
trabalho
got it back
difícil.
to 27. And then Steve and Jared, they got it
eles
back to
finalmente
28.
conseguiram encontrar
They
os
found all
corpos.
28. Nobody thought that was
Encontraram
possible, but we
27
did
e
it. And
depois conseguiram encontrar os
remember
28
the-
corpos.
family of the 28th, they were so
Eu lembro da família dos
grieved, but
28.
they were so happy as
Eles
it's
estavam em luto, mas ficaram
possible to be.
felizes por
They had their boy back.
ter
The
seus
mother
filhos de
said,
volta.
"Sir, we have our boy back." What a period of time that was, but
E
we got
mamãe
them all
disse,
back. So
eu tenho
thank
meu
you both
garoto de
very
volta.
much. Great job.
Então, obrigado.
And we're working very hard to end the ninth war, the killing and slaughter between
Estamos
Russia and
trabalhando
Ukraine, where
muito
25,000
para acabar
soldiers
com a
are
nona
dying each
guerra,
and every
a
month.
guerra entre
Think of that,
Ucrânia e Rússia.
25,000 soldiers are dying a month.
25
A war which would
mil
have never
soldados estão
happened
morrendo
if I
por
were
mês.
president.
Consegue
Would have never
imaginar?
happened. As
Isso é uma
president,
guerra que
I will
nunca
make
teria
peace
acontecido se eu
wherever I
fosse
can, but I will
presidente.
never hesitate to confront threats to America wherever
E
we
eu
must.
nunca vou hesitar em
That's
confrontar
why in a
as
breakthrough
ameaças para a
operation last
América.
June, The United States military obliterated Iran's nuclear weapons program with an attack on Iranian soil known as Operation Midnight
as armas nucleares do Irã no ano passado.
Good. For decades, it had been the policy of the United States never to allow Iran to obtain a nuclear weapon.
A política dos Estados Unidos era de permitir o Irã conseguir armas nucleares.
47 years ago, the regime and its murderous proxies have spread nothing but terrorism and death and hate.
E por 47 anos, os terroristas têm espalhado caos e guerra e ódio. E matado, às vezes, até milhões de pessoas. Com bombas, eles eram os reis disso. E no meu primeiro mandato, eu consegui acabar com parte disso.
And just over the last couple of months with the protests, they've killed at least, it looks like 32,000 protesters. 32,000 protesters in their own country.
32.000 protestantes.
Hung them.
Eles mataram, eles atiraram neles.
With the threat of serious violence, but this is some terrible people. They've already developed missiles that can threaten Europe.
Eles já desenvolveram mísseis que ameaçam a Europa. E estão criando mísseis que podem alcançar os Estados Unidos. E nós os avisamos para não criarem, não tentarem criar novamente armas atômicas que podem ameaçar os Estados Unidos. E eles continuaram. E continuam fazendo isso nesse momento, com as suas ambições. Eles querem fazer um acordo, mas nós ainda não escutamos as palavras mágicas. Nós não escutamos o que eles não vão fazer mais bombas nucleares e armas nucleares.
My preference is to solve this problem through diplomacy.
Eu prefiro resolver esse problema através da diplomacia. Mas como eu falei, eu não vou deixar que o inimigo dos Estados Unidos tenha arma nuclear.
And no nation should ever doubt America's resolve. We have the most powerful
nação deve duvidar da nossa potência.
We're going to continue to do
as nossas forças militares no meu primeiro mandato.
We have no choice. We have to be strong.
E aprovei $1 trilhão.
Seldom have to use this great power
para financiar nossa força militar.
It's really called peace through strength, and it's been very, very effective.
Estamos mantendo a paz através da força. Tem sido muito eficaz.
So thanks to Republicans in Congress, we're investing that
Obrigado pelos republicanos e ao Congresso.
In the United States Armed Forces, also creating a lot of jobs, but we're not even doing it for that reason. Because as I said, we have more jobs.
Nós estamos criando muitos trabalhos, mas nem é por isso só que estamos fazendo.
And NATO countries
Como
are
já
friends
falei,
and allies.
temos mais pessoas trabalhando hoje do que já tivemos na história.
Just agreed at my very strong request to pay 5% of GDP for military defense rather than the 2% which they weren't paying. We were paying for
em pagar
almost all of
5% imposto para os nossos militares ao invés dos 2% que pagavam antigamente.
And getting that 5% was something which everyone said would never be done, could not happen. We got it really easily.
E conseguir esse 5% era algo que ninguém acreditava que eu iria conseguir.
Between 2% that's not paid, we were paying the freight of many of them. Very few were paid up. now 5%, then they're paid. And everything we send over to Ukraine is sent through NATO, and they pay us in full. They pay us totally in full. Every branch of our armed forces is setting records for recruitment. This is so exciting. And every service member recently...
as franquias das nossas forças militares estão batendo recordes de recrutamento.
And every service member recently received a warrior dividend of $1,776.
Além disso, eles ganharam mais dinheiro mais dinheiro nos dividendos.
They put it on my desk. We got the money from tariffs and other things. A lot of money we have. We have much more money than people understand. Have to rebuild that program a little bit, but it won't take long. But we got the money.
Nós ganhamos muito dinheiro com as taxas. Temos mais dinheiro que
they
muita
wanted my
gente.
approval. And I said, what's the number? $1,775. I said, wait a minute. For one more dollar, we can have $1,776. It's going to... I said, we're going to figure that. I never asked anybody if we could afford it. One more dollar, I said $1,776. And I said, that's
eles pediram
good.
minha aprovação
our military, that was
aumentar para
4 months ago. Our military, I never see a person in the military that doesn't thank me
por
for it. So
$1
we're
eu conseguia
honored
chegar no número que eu queria. E eu nem hesitei.
We call it 1776. It was great. And we love our military. We love our law enforcement. We love our firemen. You know,
Nós amamos nossos militares.
We love our firemen.
Nós amamos os nossos bombeiros também.
We're also restoring American security and dominance in the Western Hemisphere, acting to secure our national interests and defend our country from violence, drugs, terrorism, and foreign interference. For years, large swaths of territory in our region, including large parts of Mexico, really large parts of Mexico, have been controlled by murderous drug cartels. That's why I designated these cartels as foreign terrorist organizations, and I declared illicit fentanyl as a weapon of mass destruction.
E nós declaramos o fentanol como uma arma de destruição em massa.
And with our new military campaign, we have stopped record amounts of drugs coming into our country and virtually stopped it completely coming in by water or sea. You probably noticed that.
Consideravelmente o número de drogas cruzando nossas fronteiras e entrando no nosso país.
Very seriously damaged their fishing industry also. Nobody wants to go fishing anymore. We've also taken down one of the most sinister cartel kingpins of all. You saw that yesterday. In January,
nós também destruímos um dos maiores nomes dos cartéis de drogas. Vocês viram isso ontem.
In January, elite American warriors carried out one of the most complex, spectacular feats of military competence and
a elite dos militares conseguiram uma façanha que ninguém nunca tinha visto antes. Pessoas me ligaram e falaram, muito impressionante. Todo mundo assistiu, todo mundo viu o que aconteceu. Essa é uma diferente força militar de que tínhamos há alguns anos atrás. Eu tenho muito orgulho dela. Nossa força espacial também é meu bebezinho. Eles são muito importantes.
And America's armed forces overwhelmed all defenses and utterly defeated an enemy, good fighters.
E as nossas forças massacraram todos os nossos inimigos e trouxeram o Nicolás Maduro para enfrentar a justiça americana. E essa foi uma vitória colossal para os Estados Unidos.
for the people of
e também
Venezuela.
Ótimo início para as pessoas da Venezuela. Nós estamos trabalhando com o novo presidente da Venezuela para fazer com que nossos países tragam novas esperanças para nossos povos.
Gonzalez, she grew up in a tight-knit Venezuelan family and was especially close to her beloved
assim como
uncle
Alejandro,
Enrique.
que cresceu numa família venezuelana.
Maduro, he was kidnapped by Maduro's security forces and thrown into the regime's
E ele foi
really infamous prison
sequestrado
in
por
Caracas.
forças do Maduro.
Alejandro feared she would never see her uncle again. She feared for her own life also. But since the raid, we have worked with the new leadership, and they have ordered the closure of that vile prison and released hundreds of political prisoners already. With more to
E por conta da prisão daquele ditador, nós conseguimos libertar vários prisioneiros de guerra. Então nós trouxemos Alejandro aqui para celebrar essa vitória hoje.
Thank you, Enrique. Have a good time. Nice to have you back,
Obrigado.
Enrique. There were
Ótimo te
many
ter de volta,
heroes on
Henrique.
that January raid to capture Maduro. Really great heroes.
Teve muitos
It was
heróis
very dangerous. They knew we were coming. They were all set.
Missão de
But the
buscar o
deeds of
Maduro.
one warrior that night will live forever in the eternal chronicles of military valor.
Mas os feitos de um herói viverão
Chief
sempre naquela
Warrant
noite.
Officer 5, Eric Slover, planned the mission
Eric
and was
Slover
the flight lead in the
liderou
cockpit of the first helicopter.
Liderou as forças
A big, beautiful, powerful
aéreas.
helicopter. It's a massive Chinook carrying, as
Tem
you can
helicóptero
imagine,
maravilhoso.
many American warfighters. Wearing the dog tags, his wife Amy had blessed with holy water
E
before
levou
he left.
vários
She
e
knew it was
vários
going to be a rough
militares
one.
estadunidenses,
Eric steered the Chinook
todos
under
usando
the cover of
seus-
night and
suas
descended swiftly
identificações.
upon Maduro's heavily protected military fortress. This was a major military
E ele
installation
desceu na fortaleza do
protected by
Maduro,
thousands of soldiers and guarded by
que era
Russian and
protegida por
Chinese
milhares de
military
soldados.
technology. How did that work out? Not too good. While preparing to land, enemy machine guns fired from every angle, and Eric was hit
Enquanto preparava
very
para
badly in the
pousar,
leg and hip, one bullet after another.
vários
He absorbed
tiros
4
foram atirados
agonizing
contra o
shots,
helicóptero
shredding his
e alguns o
leg into
atingiram.
numerous pieces. And yet, despite the fact that the use of his legs
E ele
was vital
perdeu-
to successful helicopter flight,
Perdeu seus movimentos da perna.
legs are the most important part of flying a helicopter. To deliver the many commandos who would capture and detain Maduro was the
E
only
ainda
thing
assim,
Eric was thinking about. Then, even as he was
Eric só
gushing
conseguia
blood, which
pensar
was
em
flowing back
capturar
down
o
the aisle,
Maduro.
helicopter lands at a steep angle.
Então ele conseguiu
Stood right in
pousar o
front of him. They
helicóptero
were
em um
right
ato
in front of
heróico.
him, two machine gunners who escaped the wrath of the previous planes. Eric maneuvered his helicopter with all of those lives and souls to face the enemy and let his gunners eliminate the threat. Turned the helicopter around so the gunners could take care of business,
Então, em
saving the
manobras
lives
com o
of his fellow
helicóptero, ele conseguiu
warriors from
salvar
what
a
could have
vida de
been a
várias pessoas
catastrophic crash
e acabar com os
deep in enemy
atiradores
territory.
que o
Only
emboscaram
after
naquele
safely
momento.
landing the helicopter with all the warriors aboard in the exact right spot, which was vital to the mission. We probably would have had to maybe
E só
cancel
depois de
the
pousar o
mission if that
helicóptero
didn't
no
happen.
lugar correto,
Eric told his
que era
co-pilot,
vital para essa,
also wounded but not
para
as
essa
gravely,
missão,
to take over
Então, só então, depois de fazer tudo isso, ele pediu para o seu parceiro para continuar pilotando o helicóptero, pois ele estava em dor. E foi incrível o que aconteceu com as pernas dele.
People knew what was happening. Everybody in the back of the helicopter knew because they saw the blood pouring down the aisle.
E todo mundo sabia o que estava acontecendo quando viu por trás do helicóptero, por conta do sangue. E ele ainda está se recuperando por conta das suas feridas. Mas a sua família está aqui hoje. Entrem, por favor.
So we have a surprise for Eric and Amy.
Nós temos uma surpresa.
In recognition of Eric's actions above and beyond the call of duty,
em reconhecimento aos atos do Eric, eu gostaria de pedir para o General Jonathan
Chief Warrant Officer Slover
para dar
our nation's highest military award, the Congressional Medal
a nossa maior honra militar. Para ele.
Well, thank you very much, Eric and Amy. Great to get
Muito
to
obrigado,
know you.
Eric
I met
e
with
Amy.
them and with a lot of their fellow warriors at Fort
Muito bom
Bragg
conhecer
recently.
vocês.
You notice the name Fort Bragg. We have it back. We brought it back. We won the First World War with it, the Second World War with it, and then they decided to change the name. So we changed it back.
Nós ganhamos todas as guerras, primeira, segunda, e eles resolveram mudar o nome.
And 10 of Eric's fellow warriors from that incredible night of victory will also be receiving medals at a private ceremony that will soon be held at the White House.
E também em uma cerimônia privada nós daremos medalhas para todos os guerreiros e guerreiras daquela noite. Muito obrigado.
Thank you, Eric. That's a big one.
Obrigado, Eric.
Tonight we've celebrated many truly extraordinary American patriots, but there is one last living legend to honor before we go.
Patriotas americanos.
He is
E tem mais
one
que eu desejo homenagear antes de ir.
aviator, Navy fighter pilot.
Aviador
Royce Williams served
americano.
in World War II, Korea, Vietnam,
Williams que
flying more than
serviu
220
na
missions.
Segunda Guerra Mundial.
In the skies over Korea in 1952, Royce was in the dogfight of a
Voou sobre a
lifetime, legendary
Coreia,
dogfight, flying through blizzard conditions, his squadron was ambushed by 7 Soviet
voando
fighter
através de
planes. It was
tempestades.
his first aerial combat of the war, and despite being
E
massively
foi o
outnumbered and outgunned, Royce
seu
led the
primeiro combate
takedown of
aéreo.
4 enemy jets and almost destroyed the others,
E
vanquishing his
ele acabou
adversaries
com
while
4
taking
jets
263
inimigos.
bullets to his own plane and being seriously hurt. His story
E
was
ele foi
secret
muito
for over
machucado
50
por
years.
conta
He
de
didn't even
tiros que
want to tell
tomou no
his
seu
wife,
avião.
but the legend grew and grew. But tonight, at 100 years old, this brave
E
Navy
hoje, com
captain
100
is
anos de
finally
idade,
getting the recognition he deserves.
ele vai
He was a
ter
legend long
o
before this evening.
reconhecimento que ele
Royce, please
merece.
stand up, and I
Já
will ask
deveria
the
ter
First Lady
ganhado há
of the
muito
United
tempo antes
States
dessa noite.
to present Captain Royce Williams with his Congressional Medal of Honor.
Eu quero apresentar o capitão com a sua medalha de honra, que vai ser dada pela primeira-dama.
Thank you, Royce, and thank you, Eric. I've always wanted
Obrigado.
the Congressional Medal of Honor, but I was informed I'm not allowed to give it to myself, and I wouldn't know why I'd be taking it, but
Eu sempre
they
quis
ever
essa
open up
medalha,
that
mas eu não
law,
ia
I
ser
will
capaz
be
de dar
there
para
with
mim.
you someday. But you know, that's our highest honor, Congressional Medal of Honor, and that's a big
Mas você
thing.
sabe, essa é a
it's an
nossa
honor to
maior
be in the
honra.
same room
Parabéns
with you.
por isso.
Thank you both very much,
Eu estou
Eric.
honrado
Thank
de
you.
estar na mesma sala que vocês.
Thank you. 250 years is a long time in the life of a nation, but in another sense, it's
250
really a
anos é
mere
muito
moment
tempo na
in the
vida de
eye
uma
of
nação.
history. Two of the gentlemen
apenas
we
um
met in
pequeno
the
momento
gallery this
na
evening
história.
took their first breaths 1 century ago, 100 years before that, on July 4th, 1826, the author of the Declaration of Independence, brilliant, Thomas Jefferson,
E o ato
drew
da
his
Declaração
last
de
breath.
Independência de Thomas
Just a
Jefferson.
single long human lifespan separates the giants who declared and won our independence from the heroes who stand among us tonight.
Apenas uma
Everything
vida
our nation
separa,
has done,
o tempo de
everything
uma
we
vida
have
separa
achieved,
grandes atos
has
que
been the work
aconteceram na
of
nossa
those few
nação.
great lifetimes. In those brief chapters,
E muito do que
Americans
acontece
built
para a
this
gente hoje de
nation
bom
from
é o
13
bom trabalho
humble
de pessoas
colonies
que vivem
into
essas
the
vidas.
pinnacle of human civilization and human freedom, the strongest, wealthiest, most powerful, most successful nation
E isso faz com que nós sejamos a nação mais poderosa, mais rica e melhor de toda a nação, de toda a história da humanidade.
Settled a boundless frontier and tamed the beautiful but very, very dangerous Wild West. From empty marshes and wide open plains, we raised up the world's greatest cities. Together we mastered the world's mightiest industries and shattered history's monstrous
E hoje nós temos as maiores indústrias, as maiores empresas.
From the chains of fascism, communism, oppression and terror.
Tiramos milhões das mãos de governos fascistas e corruptos. E nós fizemos com que a humanidade alcançasse as estrelas. Tudo através do nosso orgulho americano. Nós estamos cativando o mundo com a nossa cultura americana. E tudo que nós fazemos vai mudar o mundo inteiro. Tudo isso e muito mais é o legado que vai perdurar da América.
On all of humanity's backs. For years they were forgotten, betrayed and cast aside, but that great betrayal is over and they will never be forgotten again.
Por anos nós tivemos traições e coisas ruins acontecendo com o nosso país, mas isso acaba aqui.
And when God needs a nation to work his miracles, he knows exactly.
E quando Deus precisa de uma nação para carregar os seus feitos, nós sabemos que é a América. Não, a América é capaz de fazer tudo. Não existe um horizonte tão longe, não existe sonho que nós não alcancemos.
And these first 250 years were just the beginning. From the rugged border towns of Texas to the heartland villages of Michigan, from the sun-kissed shores of Florida to the endless fields of the Dakotas,
de Flórida a Michigan, de todos os estados,
to right here in our nation's capital, Washington, D.C., the golden age of America is upon us. The revolution that began in 1776 has not ended. It still continues because the flame of liberty and independence still burns in the heart of every American patriot.
Dentro do coração dos patriotas americanos. E o futuro será glorioso, mais glorioso do que já foi em qualquer momento. Obrigado. Deus abençoe você e Deus abençoe a América.